Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, WordSprout. Today, we'll take a peek into Alicia's diary. She's had a tough day. What made her so sad? Let's find out together.
July 29, 2024. Hi Diary. Today was a very sad day. My friend Alex moved away. And I can't tell you how much I'm going to miss him. We've been friends since middle school. And now he's moving to another city for his new job. Can you imagine how sad I felt? We spent the morning packing the last few boxes and reminiscing about all the fun times we've had together. For lunch, we went to our favorite cafe one last time. We ordered our usual meals and talked about our best memories. Alex promised we'd keep in touch, but I know things won't be the same. After lunch, we hugged and said our goodbyes. It was so hard to let go. Have you ever had to say goodbye to a close friend? It's one of the hardest things. When I got home, the house felt so empty without him. To cheer myself up, I decided to watch a funny movie. It helped a bit, but I still felt down. Later, I called another friend to chat, and that lifted my spirits a little more. Sometimes, just talking to someone can make a big difference. Don't you think? Goodbyes are always tough. But I'm grateful for the time Alex and I had together. Even though we're far apart, our friendship remains strong. Distance can separate us physically, but our bond will never fade. I'll always cherish our memories and look forward to making new ones.
How was your day? Did anything interesting happen? Share your diary entry in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time!